Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let us start with Abuja. The residents of Gwagwalada community have expressed their concern over the activities of fraudsters around the city. Now move to Kwara State. At least 6 families of victims from the 2018 offer robbery have blasted the Kwara State governor for using political motivated to push former Senate President Senator Abubakar Bukola Saraki. Now Katsina State, Musawa local government area of Katsina State hired 75 Islamic scholars for special prayer against bandits, kidnappers, among others. Now insecurity, the Plateau State Police Command have arrested 4 kidnappers who killed a 12-year-old boy after collecting ransom of 150,000 from his family. Similarly, the Nigerian army have neutralized 4 gunmen in the night operation in Nasarawa State and captured 1 suspect during a night operation. Still in insecurity, the Nigerian army have cleared over 9 villages in Sokoto State in search of Lakurawa terrorists in the state and arrest key suspects. Now politics. A special advisor to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Daniel Bola, has admitted that his past criticisms against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was influenced by his role as a PDP member. Still in politics, former Kaduna State Governor Nasuru El-Rufai said he is no longer recognizing APC because organs of ruling party have not met in the past 2 years. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels, like, comment, and share. Also, you can follow us in X and Facebook. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next. Bye.